Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the battery on this Vauxhall Astra 2016 key fob. So the way we're going to change the battery is we're going to hold on to the blade like this, and then with the nail or a flathead screwdriver, what you do is just slide your nail inside the gaps here, just like that, all the way. So that's one side is about to open. Once you have opened it a little bit, what you can do is you can use a flathead screwdriver to just slide it in like this, and there we go. That's the cover completely off the key fob. Here is our battery. So this particular battery is a CR2032 battery. Okay, so we're gonna replace it with the new one like for like. Okay, CR2032. Just gonna slide it in like this, and then we're gonna place the cover back on. So just gonna line up the clips and then just gonna push it from all the sides. There we go, friends. That is the new battery being replaced on this Vauxhall Astra key fob. Thank you very much for watching the video.